The Adventures of Laughing Gull Peter. Santiago Rodriguez, Maximilian Fadel, period 7, 4/2/2020. The laughing gull varies between the lengths of 16.5 to 14 inches with the colors of white, gray, black, and red beaks. They live in colonies consisting of thousands of nests. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs, which are incubated by both female and male. Climate change threatens the laughing gull because of the different temperature variations which continuously affect the species as global warming increases. They are also losing lots of habitat due to high increase in sea level rise. The laughing gull eats crustaceans, insects, and fish. Their diet varies with location and season. In late spring, they gather eggs of the horseshoe crabs for them to feed on. They sometimes also eat other species' young. Laughing gull live in salt marshes, coastal bays, piers, beaches, and oceans. They are generally found in coastal regions. Sometimes they also choose to live several miles inland to rivers, fields, and dumps. They nest on beaches and dredge spoil islands among grass and bushes. Nest sites on the ground are among grass and bushes. Laughing gull breed in colonies, sometimes with thousands of nests associated with other species of gulls and terns. Nests may be scraped in ground with sparse lining or may be shallow cuts of grass, sticks, and debris, lined with finger grass. Forages while walking, wading, or swimming. When in flight, they plunge into water or dip to the surface. They might also steal food from other organisms. For instance, in various occasions, they snatch fish from the brown pelican, their neighboring species. Mostly laughing gull hunt in groups, flocks. Fun facts. The laughing gull is the largest of the dark-hooded gulls. When they speak to each other, it sounds like human laughs. These vagrant birds have on rare occasions been sighted in Western Europe. The laughing gull habitats are rich in biodiversity of gulls and terns, with a large number of rocky islands and shores along with coastal wetland areas. These provide with good nesting habitats with animals such as Bonaparte's gull, ring-billed gull, and herring gull that live in the laughing gull's habitat.
On an early Monday morning, Peter was forced to leave his home after John the farmer broke his nest and the eggs his mom had hatched. Peter and his mom flew different ways and were not able to find each other. Peter went to one of the 2 owls near him for help on building a new nest, since he was too young and would still use the nest his mother made for him and his family. After Bill the owl and Peter spoke, Bill said he was willing to help him build his nest. They worked on it for 3 hours before it was completed. After Peter spent the night in his new nest, Peter asked him where he can find another owl for help on finding his mom. Bill told him to fly for a mile straight down south and that her name was Jill. So, Peter arrived at Jill's house. They had a conversation and Jill said that she did in fact know where his mom was because Peter's mom had stopped by to find him 2 hours ago. Jill proceeded to tell Peter in what direction his mother went. She was building herself a nest for the night 1/2 mile east. So Peter started to fly east in a hurry because it was getting dark. After 10 minutes into flying, he got very hungry. Peter got very lucky that there was a restaurant near him and he found dropped crumbs of bread. So he stopped to eat for about 5 minutes. After eating, Peter flew for about 20 more minutes. Then, when he was feeling most hopeless, he spotted his mom's nest and they spoke and reunited. They now live happily ever after together. Peter's crossword puzzle. Peter's word search. 33149 Zippoed on the Laughing Gull's adaptation. Circling prey overhead, put to bed, dead. Laughing Gull flies ahead. To his habitat, the beach, Laughing Gull rests asleep.